If four identical resistors, of resistance 8 ohm, are first connected in series so as to give an effective resistance Rs, and then connected in parallel so as to give an effective resistance Rp, then the ratio Rp/Rs is. The question is about resistors connected in series and parallel. It asks for the ratio of the effective resistance when the resistors are connected in series, Rs, to the effective resistance when they are connected in parallel, Rp. Resistors in series. When resistors are connected in series, the total resistance is the sum of the individual resistances. In the question, for identical resistors, each with a resistance of 8 ohms, are connected in series. Therefore, the total resistance Rs is Rs equals R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. Rs equals 8 ohms plus 8 ohms plus 8 ohms plus 8 ohms. Rs equals 32 ohms. Resistors in parallel. When resistors are connected in parallel, the reciprocal of the total resistance is the sum of the reciprocals of the individual resistances. In the question, the four identical resistors are now connected in parallel. Therefore, the total resistance Rp is 1/Rp equals 1/R1 plus 1/R2 plus 1/R3 plus 1/R4. 1/Rp equals 1/8 ohms plus 1/8 ohms plus 1/8 ohms plus 1/8 ohms. 1/Rp equals 4/8 ohms. 1/Rp equals 1/2 ohms. Reciprocate on both sides. Rp equals 2 ohms. Ratio of Rs to Rp. The ratio of Rs to Rp is Rupee to Indonesian rupiah equals 32 ohms/2 ohms. Rupee to Indonesian rupiah equals 16. Therefore, the answer to the question is D, 16. Check out more questions.